What's good, YouTube? It's yo boy Jimmy back at it again with another Hybe Loyalty Unboxing video, man. And today I'll be doing the video on my phone, though. Man, you already know what I mean. But look, it's my 15th time checking in, so I should be opening my 12th Hybe Loyalty box. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more good content in the future. But let's get into it, guys. So yeah, it's my 15th checking streak, you know what I mean? I did a total of 26 unboxings. Got a couple of good stuff, got a couple of bad stuff, but today I'm hoping for something designer. Like every time I'm hoping for something designer. Hi, man, y'all need to give me something designer because you know I deserve it. I've been on this for 15 days straight already. So we'll see how this goes, man. Finna unbox this 15th box right here. I have a video playing like right next to it or below, you know what I'm saying? But let's see how it goes. Opening my 15th box. It was a long way down. Oh, I got a promo code, so I guess it's a promo code giveaway for y'all guys. If you're seeing this video and you're the first viewer, I have the promo code in the link in the description of the bio, and you can just take this promo code out the video if you want it. Then so that's about it. That's the video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe again, and have a good day.